in this segment, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about what people don't see very often, and that is a braced wall. According to the code, the IRC, International Residential Code, and the UDC, which is Uniform Dwelling Code in Wisconsin, first one's in Minnesota, there is a scenario that has to be abided by when you build, that when a wall is less than 4 feet in 20 feet, you have to be able to brace that for lateral loads as far as wind. Today you're going to hear a lot of wind while we're filming this, and it's a perfect scenario on why this is done this way. That wind that loads the side of a building can rack the building. So you need area, 4 foot or so, with a solid wood structural panel, as we have here, in order to counteract that wind pushing on the building. And along with that comes the header. So this is called a braced wall. This is an alternative braced wall method that we're using here, where the header, instead of being just over the garage door area, actually runs all the way to the corner over this braced wall. And the reason why we do that is it ties in this whole wall, and part of that package is that you can see the 1,000-pound straps used. And that ties the header down to the studs. And these studs, I'm going to change direction here. You can see these straps right here. They tie the header straight through onto the stud. The stud is then at the bottom held down by a hold-down anchor. That hold-down anchor holds on to this same stud through the strap all the way to the roof to help bond or bind this whole system together. So again, if you walk in and you say, boy, I normally see a header only above the garage doors, and you see something like this, it is probably required by code, and we build at or above code on every building we do. We are very in tune to seeing these scenarios and building things properly.